Today we are at Tamworth Auto Repair to install a brand new MOT bay. A thriving local business, Tamworth Auto Repair recently moved to a new site, giving them more space to incorporate an MOT testing bay into their full service and repair centre setup. Before the start of the installation, we have carefully measured up and made a detailed ground plan to ensure all the equipment will fit according to DVSA MOT bay guidelines. All the necessary groundwork has been completed and the equipment has been delivered to site, ready for our dedicated VTech engineers to start work on installing the kit. All the equipment we install at VTech comes with full DVSA approval. The lift is a European 4-post electro-hydraulic model, featuring a 4-ton lifting capacity, built-in play detectors, radius plates, and full safety features, including safety pressure valves and mechanical locking system. This is a very popular lift for MOT and ATL bay installations. Hard-wearing and reliable, with an additional 2-ton manual jacking beam. Other features include a wired remote control with the shaker plates, which doubles as a flashlight for checking the underside of the vehicle. The brake tester is a BM4010 in-ground model. Sturdy and reliable, the BM4010 can manage an axle weight of up to 3.5 tons, making it ideal for any light vehicle testing lane. The brake tester's galvanised subframe is set into the ground with very little ground clearance, and all the cabling to the control unit is ducted below ground. All calibrations for the brake tester are concluded at the time of installation. Should any further adjustments be required, each set of rollers can easily be lifted from the frame by a single engineer to be worked on. The BM4010 comes with BM's FlexCheck software, allowing automatic single-person testing. FlexCheck also provides a reference database and clear test results on screen or as a printout. The bay's PC control station runs the BM FlexCheck software and also houses the VTech Combi gas and smoke emissions testing equipment. All VTech's diagnostic machines come fully updated for optimum hassle-free use. The VTech Combi is DVSA approved, providing clear and detailed readouts on screen and as a printout. The specially designed trolley stores the unit and keeps the probes and peripherals tidy. The unit is fully calibrated on delivery and comes with a full 5-year warranty. At the head of the bay is the headlamp beam aligner, set on its own tracks to run parallel with the front of the vehicle. The aligner is easily adjustable to check each beam. Once installed, all the equipment is double-checked by the VTech engineers. Should any problems arise, VTech are on hand to provide swift assistance to get the bay up and running again as soon as possible.